Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about the hybrid inheritance. So what is a hybrid inheritance? A hybrid inheritance means the concept of all the inheritance. Suppose single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical you may say inheritance. Means it will follow the concept of every inheritance, all concept required. So now let's start. Suppose I create a class called school. Okay, class called school. This is my base class. Remember this. Def function 1. Here I should write self and then print what? I am in school class. Okay, done. That's it. Done. Now I will create another class called teacher, and school will come to the teacher. Means what? Single inheritance. See, teacher has inherited the school. Okay, inherited concept of single inheritance. Now simple def function 2 self print I am a teacher 1. Okay, that's it. I am a teacher 1. Now what I will do, I will create another derived class. I will create another derived class called teacher 2. So listen it very carefully. One parent class and there is two child class named teacher 1, teacher 2, means hierarchical inheritance. Okay, and here I will write school. Why school? I already said in hierarchical inheritance because teacher 2 will also inherit school. Hierarchical inheritance means one parent class, two child class. That's concept we are using here also in hybrid inheritance also. Why? Because hybrid inheritance follows all concept required. It will cover every inheritance. Now let's do. Now let me copy this. Let me copy this part. Let me paste here. Here I should write function 3 and here I should write teacher 2. Okay, done. Now I will create a class called student. Class of student. Class student. This is a mixed class. Remember this. This is a mixed class. You can say this class is a mixed class. As a mixed class. Okay. Teacher 1. Sorry, I have to write here teacher 1 so that it will be easy for everyone to understand. Teacher 1, comma, teacher 2. That's it. Okay. So this is the concept of what? Say. This is the concept of what? This is the concept of multiple inheritance. Okay. This is the concept of multiple inheritance. Now let me copy those lines. Function 4. And here what should I write? I am a student. I am a student. Okay. That's it. Now it's time for it's time for the object creation. obj1 equals to student. obj1 equals to student. Now obj1 dot function 1 obj1 dot function 1 obj student will call everything because he has everything in his hand. Teacher, student has inherited teacher, and teacher also inherited school, so the student has everything now in his hands. Simply you can say this. obj1 dot function 2 obj1 dot function 3, and at last obj1 dot function 4. That's it. We have done it. Now let's see what's the output. See, it's perfect. I am in school class, I am teacher 1, I am teacher 2, then I am a student. Okay, so you understood the hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance means single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Concept of all types of inheritance will be used in the hybrid inheritance. So by this we end this video, and this is also the end of inheritance. We have discussed all the 5 types of inheritance. Okay, if you have any queries, just comment. I will obviously reply. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.